It is Gamers Planet XD9 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review video of my Monsters vs. Aliens Blu-ray 2018 reprint and reissue copy of the movie, original date 2009. As you can see, I have the package right here, and hey there, it's just me editing. But before you roast me in the comments, I just want to point out that sorry for my extremely long witch nails. I'll try my best to cut my nails next time. Don't roast me in the comments. I just thought I might point it out because, you know, it might, you know, have the package right here. I have it flipped on the other side because I don't want people seeing my address and shiz, and so I have it, it's already cut open, so, you know, I can just already get going, unbox it. So yeah, let's check it out. Here we go. Blu-ray disc, Blu-ray and digital copy, DreamWorks, Monsters vs. Aliens, and we got a new cover of the movie. This is a reprint or reissue. This is a reprint, which means that they switched the cover to a new one, which I actually like it. This was actually the main reason why I wanted the Blu-ray copies, just to have the reprint and reissue version of the movie. Because, you know, as a logo and movie enthusiast myself, I thought this might, you know, fit the picture. So like, Blu-ray disc, DreamWorks Monsters vs. Aliens, and we got Bob over here. If I can focus it. Focus it. Because I'm holding my tablet between my legs, and so that's how I'm holding this camera. You can clearly see, and we got the DreamWorks logo and the number, jibber jabber, and then here we go. If I can get the picture to focus well. HD picture and theater quality sound. We got the plot right there. Right there. A+, a monster hit. That's what it said on the original copy, and then we got bonus features. Pretty much just the same as the other copy. It's just, they just put that there as like a new detail because Universal reprinted these movies. Bonus features. You can read it right there. We got our buddy Mr. Cockroach here, and we got the picture of the movie. Then we got the missing link. And we got like digital movie included, download or stream. I'll work on that. And we got the credits, small credits right here. Got the, I think that's got the, if I can focus it well. Let me see if I can get it on the camera. I can't read. Let me see what it reads from my view. That's the DreamWorks Animation SKG logo, and that's the parental guidance rating, science fiction, action, this and that. And there's the original credits of the movie. DreamWorks Monsters vs. Aliens, copyright 2009, DreamWorks Animation LLC, all rights preserved. And this and that. And as you can see, 3D glass is not included. Disc made in Mexico. Universal Pictures Home Entertainment. See right there. There. And there we go. So we got the cover. So time to open it up and see what it looks like from the inside of the movie. So let me try and cut it open. Oh, if you this is actually my first time doing a movie unboxing review, because my other two videos I didn't talk, and those were filmed 3 years ago. And this was filmed in the same spot here. I just have it in a different angle. Okay, got it cut open. Gotta open a saran wrap. I'll just keep it in front of the camera so like I don't want to like accidentally jack up the cover like I did with Shark Tale. Let me roll the clip. Yep.
What are those? What are those?
Hey guys, it's me again while editing, and yet again I just now noticed my freaking dirty and long toenails. Please don't roast me in the comments. I just want to point that out again because I'm a total moron. Why am I even pointing this out on my So ooh, fresh as new. Alright. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's all good to go. And then we'll open up the movie. Here we go. Let's take a look at this. Here we go. If I can focus it on the camera. There we go. Redeem your digital. I'll try this some other time. 2018. And we got like other movies now available on Blu-ray DVD. We got Shrek, Trolls, How to Train Your Dragon, Madagascar, Kung Fu Panda, The Boss Baby, DreamWorks. So what's that say right there? 2018. All rights reserved. And we'll just put this back right over here. Yeah. Not really much to see. Let's yeah. Let's see what it looks like from the back. And here's the disc. And then it's the Blu-ray. And yeah. That's the movie. So that's the movie. So I think in the next video I'll film opening to the copy, see if there's anything different, see if they added the Universal logo, and if not, see if they actually copied and pasted the original data from the 2009 copy of the movie. So see you in the next video. Later.